Hello friends, today we are going to discuss about mollusca classification, characteristics and some classification. Okay. Mollusca, the animals belonging to the phylum Mollusca have soft bodies, triploplastic and bilaterally symmetrical and collimate. The study of mollusca is called malacology. They are sluggish invertebrates with a thin fleshy envelope or mantle covering the visceral organs. The term mollusca was derived from the term given by Aristotle to cuttlefish. Mollusk means soft. These organisms are found in the terrestrial as well as in the deep seas. Their size ranges from microscopic organisms to organisms 20 meters long. They play a very important role in the lives of humans. They are a source of jewelry as well as food. Natural pearls are formed within this mollusk. The bivalve mollusks are used as bioindicators in the marine and freshwater environments, but few of them, such as snails and slugs, are pieced. Mollusca characteristics. Characteristics of mollusca. The organisms belonging to phylum Mollusca exhibit the following characteristics. They are mostly found in marine and freshwater. Very few are terrestrial and found in moist soil. They exhibit organ system level of organization. That body has a cavity. The body is divided into head, visceral mass, muscular foot and mantle. The head comprises of tentacles and compound eyes. The body is covered by calcareous cell. The muscular foot helps in locomotion. They have a well-developed digestive system. The radula is the rasping organ of feeding. They respire through the general body surface, gills or pulmonary sac. The blood circulates through the open circulatory system. They have a pair of metanephridia that helps in excretion. The nervous system consists of a number of paired ganglia and nerves. The tentacles, eyes, ostracium and statocyst act as the sensory organs. These sexes are separate in the most of the mollusks, but some species are hermaphrodites. Fertilization may be external or internal. They are generally oviparous with indirect development. Classification of mollusca. Following are the classification of mollusca. Aphlacophora. The body is cylindrical or bilaterally symmetrical. These are devoid of the head, cell, mantle, nephridia and foot. The digestive caca is absent. Spicule-bearing cuticle covers the body. It contains a dorsal longitudinal keel or crest. For example, Neomania and Chytoderma. Monoplacophora. The body is bilaterally symmetrical. The head is devoid of eyes and tentacles. Respiration occurs through gills which are externally located. The nitrogenous waste is excreted out through the nephridia. For example, Neopilina. Polyplacophora. Their body is dorsoventrally flattened like a leaf and are bilaterally symmetrical. This cell is composed of 8 longitudinal plates. They have a well-developed radula. The ventral foot is flat. For example, chiton, cryptochiton. Gastropoda. They are found either on land or in fresh and marine water. The head bears tentacles, eyes and a mouth. The cell is spiral in shape. The food is flat and large. For example, Haliotis and Pila. Scaphopoda. Found in the marine environment, the eyes and tentacles are absent. The food is reduced. The body is bilaterally symmetrical. Then Pelecypoda. They reside in aquatic habitats. The body is bilaterally symmetrical and compressed laterally. The body has no distinct head. They usually burrow in mud and sand. For example, mussels and unio. Cephalopoda. They are mostly found in marine environment. The cell is either external, internal or not present at all. They have a separate sexes. The development is direct. For example, octopus and spirula. Some example of mollusca: Pila, Limax, Unio, Turbinella, Helix, Octopus, Loligo. So these are the examples, some examples of mollusca. Key points on mollusca. Phylum Mollusca is the second largest phylum. A few mollusks such as Unio possess green glands which mimic the liver in vertebrates. They possess ostradia to taste the chemical nature of water. The statocysts maintain body equilibrium. Octopus has 8 arms and contains no shell. They also possess ink glands for protection. The blood is blue or green in color due to the presence of pigment containing copper called hemocyanin. They possess a myogenic heart. So this is the overview of the phylum Mollusca that includes classification, characteristics and some examples of mollusca.